truth.
Smile, you're on camera. So we did generate quite a lot of sawdust here in our balcony. So now we're going to clean it. We're wasting all the sawdust because we have no way of keeping it.
Third size. Yeah, I'm just out of the way. I know it's not done, I just...
Hello friends and welcome to the channel. If today is your first time visiting with us, we want to extend you a very warm welcome and invite you to watch any of our over 400 videos that we have arranged for your convenience in playlists, as we're confident they're going to be both instructional and entertaining in nature. If you've been here before and you have not subscribed, shame on you. Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, I want to wish you in today's Wednesday quickie, we are going to do a first look and very short review of the TACKLife. The TACKLife is a mini circular saw, and we chose the variety that it is corded because here in our apartment it is just simpler to use a corded device than a cordless device that we have to frequently charge. So Santa brought this to me, and it has some really good features. It has a laser. It came with a fence that allows you to cut the same distance for the edge of your board. It came with a handle that can be either right or left, depending on if you're right or handed. It has a very nice feel to it, right? It feels a little heavy, but I didn't see that as a problem when cutting, did you?
I think it would only be a problem long term if you're cutting a lot with it, but for a short project it's good.
It seems very well designed. I didn't get the feel that this was a cheap tool at all. And it can do most everything you want. You can cut from 90 to 45 degrees, and from 0 inches, I don't know why you want to cut 0 inches, but it cuts from 0 inches to 1.5 plus. Was that specific enough? Yeah. So we're going to put it a little through its paces. Stick around and see what we're going to do with this little saw. And let's get to it. Santa was nice to us. And we're going to open it. It's interesting, those Chinese brands that I've never heard before come with a cellophane wrap, which I don't see in any other tools, right? So let's open it and see what we got. Can you help me, please? All right. We have a little doohickey. That's a technical term.
Hey, but no, the camera's over here. So.
I don't know what the camera says.
The camera, I'm telling you, it's over here.
It's just trying to tell you buttons there.
The camera has to follow me.
That's really impressive some days.
Okay, I think those must be the blades.
I think so.
All right.
And oh no,
And this we don't really need to ask instructions. And this is it. And it has a little laser, it looks like. Excellent.
With a saw blade already loaded.
Already loaded. It is loaded and ready to go. I'm going fast?
Yes. Yes. You need to be aware of the camera.
Other blades.
Well, that looks like a diamond blade, so that's
Yes.
for tile and things.
And then finer blades, and then another of the more
This,
rough
yeah.
cut blade. And it's interesting because not only are they wrapped in plastic, but they also have like a plastic tubing over to cover the blade teeth to help protect them, and also you and your fingers.
I
So
don't
that's
need.
kind of a nice touch, actually.
Okay. So we're going to look it over, and we're going to point out the features that it has, and we're going to tell you what we think. All right, friends, and we finished using this tool for the first time, and I have to say a couple of positives. We didn't even look at the manual. I thought we would, but once we start looking at the tool, for example, this is very easy. The handle, it's very easy. It has 2 indentations. Is that what they're called?
Yeah.
That it simply clamps to, and very easy to change it from right to left side. This is just you unhook it and you hook it again. It has a laser. I don't know if you
It
can
was
see the
hiding
laser.
underneath this little thing.
No, the laser
I know.
button was there.
The laser button was hiding under there, so make sure you take that off to have the laser there.
And it looks like it's operated by battery, like the jigsaw we have, because it doesn't even have to be plugged in to operate. You know, it doesn't have to be on, nothing. It's a little dirty now, but that's just testament to us using it. We'll have to
We've
clean it.
made
We made a lot of cuts,
12 cuts.
12 or more.
It's got a guide here, which we've used to make these last 4 cuts. It has
A spring-loaded
Yeah.
lock.
it's use the Allen wrench to tighten it in there. And this will go back and forth. It's a nice little gauge. It's made some very nice clean cuts. I've liked that a lot.
And of course you can change the depth and the angle of this. This is the angle meter, so it can go up to,
We gotta show her.
this is the depth, so it can go up to 1.5 inch or a little over. What is a tick mark after 1.5?
I don't know.
Anyway, it can do a little over 1.5 inch, and it can turn up to 45 degrees either way. This is, I found to be very accurate. What do you think?
Yeah.
This is for the 0, and this is for the 45. So depending on where you are, you either look at this part or you look at this. This is for a 45 degree angle, this is for a 0 and
I
90
like that
degree.
the lock nut for the blade is actually marked, so you know which way is lock.
Yeah.
It's unlock, which is nice, because sometimes with saws they're the opposite of what you think they are.
I like that all the buttons, all the things that you can change are actually bright orange. They're easy to see, right? And it has the safety lock. If you press it is plugged in now, but nothing will happen until we press this. Now it is loud, but I don't think it's louder than any comparable
I don't think it's.
machine, right? So overall, what we give it? 9 thumbs up?
Yeah, yeah. I was gonna say a 9.
I don't have 9 thumbs.
No, it became a joke because I said, what I said, 3 thumbs up? Yeah. So
9 stars.
definitely for the tools we have here, this is the easiest, and I would dare say the most accurate. I mean, I'm not, again, I just used this tool, we just used this tool for the first time today, so we are not perfect yet. But even though we are not, it is much better than any other tool we use so far to do cutting. Would you guys concur?
Sure.
So overall I like it. It is a TACKLife.
It's TAKLife.
Yeah,
Oh, CK. It is CK. I thought it was TAK.
it has a good feel on the hand. You used it to what you thought?
Yeah.
It really feels very positive when you use both of them. I mean, definitely has a nice grip. I will give it 2 thumbs up.
I thought we said 9.
Nah, we were joking. 2 is the maximum.
Okay.
Or 5 tomatoes. I don't know what that. 5 dowels.
I don't know. It's a good tool. We like it.
So give me a rating.
I like it.
6.
6? 6 rotten tomatoes?
No, I didn't say anything.
Out of
about
10, I
rotten
give it a
tomatoes.
9.
Okay, 9 out of 10. What do you give it out of 10?
6 out of 7.
6 out of 7. See here.
Yeah.
You and your imperial methods of counting. We're metric here.
Okay.
All right, and I would definitely give it 9.5 out of 10. I really, really like this tool. I think it's great. So from the Grass Wizard and Elpida and Mrs. Wizard, we hope you enjoyed this short quickie. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and let us know what you're going to see in the upcoming year. Happy New Year to all, and we're going to see you soon. Farewell, friends.